So now in this problem, it wants us to solve for x. So here we have a cube root equation. Remember, whenever we're working with a cube root equation, the very first step is going to be to isolate that cube root. Notice here that cube root is not isolated because that -3 is right there in front of the cube root, right? So the first step is going to be to isolate the cube root. So we need to get rid of that -3. Well, we need to think about what is that -3 doing to the cube root. -3 is multiplying the cube root, right? So the opposite of that is going to be to divide both sides of this equation by -3. So when we do that, we get the cube root of x minus 5 equals 12 divided by -3, which is -4. So now we can go ahead and cube both sides of this equation because the cube root is by itself. And so that's going to give us x minus 5 equals -4 cubed, which is -64. Now in the final step to solve for x, we just need to go ahead and add 5 to both sides. So when we add 5 to both sides, we get x equals -59, and that is now our final answer.